are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the air blast load over the composite column, which is made with rubberized concrete, steel reinforcement, and green composite as a cover for this concrete reinforcement. Let me to click on the plot contour shape, and let me to replace just the concrete first. This is the rubberized concrete column under the blast load. Let me to make it zoom here, to make zoom here, and click on animate. See, this is a blast wave propagation again, the blast wave propagation, the stress, and this is the final. Okay, this is the final view. We can make a limit here to have a better view. For instance, make this 0, then you will have this view, is better. Now let's me to check the damage propagation, the tensile damage propagation in the concrete, rubberized concrete column. Sorry. Okay, sorry for that. Let me to check a stiffness degradation. This is a stiffness degradation for the rubberized concrete. Okay, the displacement or anything. Let me now replace all parts and remove the concrete, just the green composite box, and let me also remove this. This is the steel reinforcement, the plastic strain for this, the stress, and now again let me replace all, remove the concrete, and just replace the column, the cover. This is the damage, compressive damage for the fiber, tension damage for the fiber that is failed, and for matrix, and then the stress, you can see that, and displacement or diagram from history or field output. For instance, here we can request reaction forces. This is the reaction force for this model. Also, we can consider the displacement at the middle point and draw the force displacement diagram. Okay, this is the convex blast method over the rubberized concrete covered with green composite and internal reinforcement. Let's going to use free edge. You can see this is the free edge. Okay, so if you need to model rubberized concrete, green composite, steel reinforcement under the blast load, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorial here, click on a title, then you will have the title explanation about the geometries and path, material method, step interaction load, and the result as figures here. The cost for the CAINP English video and reference paper for the material is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.